Hi everyone and welcome to another tree plotter tutorial. Let's talk about the exporter tool. Exporting data can be done from two different locations, either the data table or under My Data in the Tools button. Tree plotter gives the option to export to either CSV or shapefile format for any layer that is present in your application. Keep in mind that any filters applied at the time of exporting will limit the data that is exported. Let's take a look at exporting from within the data table. The data table is open and the export button is at the top. If I clicked Export Now, we would export out all of our trees in the data table. However, the table has been sorted in descending order based on DBH, and let's say I just want the information for these very large trees up at the top. I can click the checkbox next to these specific records, and then the export will only apply to those. So just a quick way to export out data related to a few records. Once the export tool opens, I'll select the file format, either CSV or shapefile. Then I'll select the layer, in this case trees. You can name the file whatever you'd like. Then, if applicable, there are some advanced options to explore, such as exporting photos, other attachments, and ecosystem benefits calculations if present in the app. Now I'll click on Export and the file will download to my machine. Please note, check your pop-up blocker if you experience any issues with downloading the file, as it may need to be disabled. Thanks for watching. For more info, visit us at www.treeplotter.com.